Oh, really? You're gonna...
Okay, with the horn.
Saving that one.
Try to determine what might have caused the illness. York Regional Police were called to assist during a boat fire near Barrie over the weekend. It happened Sunday after a boat caught fire as it was passing through Big Bay Point in Innisfail. Barrie Police, Ramera, and Orondonti Fire Departments also attended the scene. It's believed an electrical issue was the cause. 4 people were rescued from the lake by other boaters. No injuries were reported. In a new report released with partners, the UN Weather Agency says climate change means more weather disasters every year. Charles de la Desma reports.
In the wake of heat waves, global warming, forest fires, storms.
What you want to do? 6 o'clock in the morning, get off my ass! Yeah, what? What? You're on my... I have a 5-year-old in my car. Get off my ass!
Yeah, 5-year-old.
Keep recording me. Keep recording me. I already called the cops.
Yeah, thank you. I got evidence of you being a Karen. Jesus f***ing Christ, woman! I'm not on your ass! Get... I feel sorry for your kid, woman.
Go check that out at Third Shift SJ. Start doing stuff this weekend and
Oh shit! What is he doing on this side of the road? What? The hell is that guy doing? He's backing up.
World of Warcraft
Unless you're
races
playing
or
like
something.
CSGO or something.
We were talking about dragon race though, people.
What?
Alright, thank you, Sue.
Fuck, is it just a wreck?
He's just got a lot of good
It's like you have
contributions
a,
today.
like
I
a
don't know.
switch in your head where you can just turn off like 100 brain
I
cells.
think there was just a wreck behind
Yeah.
me.